So anything between 1 and 3 is excellent.
1 and 3 is excellent.
Yeah, 3 to...
Viewers, 1 and 3 is excellent.
Correct.
Yeah.
And anything between 4 and 6 is still good, manageable.
It's good.
Yeah. 6 to 8 is poor. And 9 and 10 is actually bad. So
it's worse. Actually.
It's literally 10 is like
worse.
Bankruptcy. Literally, like you don't have a stable financial condition. So in this case, it's 8, which is poor. And normally, what happens is bank are not willing to give access to credit if your ranking is beyond 6. Beyond 6, it's
beyond 6, they are not ready to
extremely difficult. So unless you're a very large enterprise or you have been a regular customer,
the relationship is fantastic.
So
they know who you are.
Correct.
How's your business?
But again, even in those scenarios, it becomes very difficult. So it's always important to keep your ranking under the limit, basically. So you need to make
less than 6.
Less than
1, 2, 3 is fantastic.
Correct.
Understood.
And for that, it's important that you have all those disciplines in place. You repay your loans on time and you maintain your CC accounts in a proper way. So here, just to give you an overview, the ranking in February when we started working, it was 8. He had 6 closed accounts and 4 open accounts.
Running accounts.
Yes. And none of the accounts were delinquent as such, but there were some delayed payment in the past which had attributed to the ranking.
Understood.
So if you could go further down.
So I see that. I mean, 120 payments on time is 120 out of 165. This is where
the challenge is. Correct. So that initially, again, as we discussed in the previous report, this is again the details about working capital, the number of banks he actually is dealing with. So that's the summary of that. And then we have on the next page the company profile. Here
which we have masked actually.
Yeah. So here we could see it's a partnership
for confidential reasons. We have masked the company profile and other contact information, address information for confidential reasons. Yes.
So here you could see it's a partnership firm and he falls under the MSME category.
Right.
Okay. And further
date of report is date of
incorporation. Yeah, date of incorporation is 1st Feb.
Yeah.
And if you go further down, you'll see the ranking. The reason for ranking is again like delayed
moderate
payments.
Number of month in overdue, but not NPA.
Correct.
He has not gone into NPA.
but
Viewers, NPA is 3 consecutive months of non-payment of EMI is NPA.
Correct.
91 days. If you haven't paid, then NPA.
Correct.
So he has not paid for such a long time.
Correct.
Not crossed the 91 days.
But he's been missing his payments.
EMI.
So that is one. And again, the second reason is high utilization.
One of the major common reasons.
As I said,
major reason as well as common reason.
Very common reason.